Understanding, Get One's Dander Up, a guide to expressive English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, get one's dander up. This expression is a colorful way to talk about emotions, and understanding it can add an interesting layer to your English communication. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in conversation. Get one's dander up is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone becoming angry or irritated. When someone's dander is up, they are not just slightly annoyed. They are significantly upset or agitated. It's important to note that this phrase is usually used in more informal settings and can add a playful or vivid aspect to the description of someone's mood. The phrase, get one's dander up, has somewhat unclear origins, but it's believed to come from the early 19th century. Dander could refer to dandruff or more broadly to any small particles or dust. There's also a theory that it might be related to the Spanish word, dandruff, or tantrum, suggesting a connection to the idea of something getting stirred up. Over time, getting one's dander up became associated with the rise in emotion, particularly anger or irritation. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at a few examples. The constant noise from the construction site finally got my dander up. You shouldn't let his rude comments get your dander up. He's not worth it. Talking about politics is a sure way to get her dander up. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts where someone's patience is tested, and they become visibly annoyed or angry. It's best to use get one's dander up in informal conversations or in narrative writing where a more colloquial tone is appropriate. It's a great way to add color to your language and vividly describe emotions. However, remember that it might not be suitable for formal contexts or with audiences who prefer a more straightforward language. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, get one's dander up. It's a fun and expressive way to talk about someone getting angry or irritated, and incorporating it into your English can make your language more vivid and engaging. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English with us.